Hello,
Hello,
my name is Teacher Rama. Today we have speak and test. Okay, what's your name?
my name is Jun.
Nice to meet you. How old are you?
I'm 13 years old.
Okay, and where do you live?
I live in Vietnam.
Okay, do you live in Halong City?
Yes.
Okay, both are correct. And what is your hobby?
My hobby is
What do you like doing? Like, do you like playing a sport?
yes,
Which is?
play in badminton.
Okay, and who do you live with?
I live with my mother, my father, and my sister.
Okay, now let's move to the second part. In this part, we have two topics. The first one is my favorite film. The second is my dream house. Which one you want to talk about?
I would like talking about film.
Okay, you can take some time to think about the questions.
Okay.
Okay, do you want to start?
Okay.
You can start talking about my favorite film.
My favorite film is Doraemon, and film is a comedy. Um, the main character is Nobita, and I like it because it's very funny and so moving to me. I watch it 3 times of the week, and I watch it with my sister in my bedroom.
Okay, all right, thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.